Hello friends, my name is Aron Josephath Katosho. I am the Executive Director of Dreamnature Landscaping Organization. Today it's my precious time to introduce to you and to present to you what our organization does to the country of Tanzania. Our organization is called Dreamnature Landscaping Organization, DLO, is mainly focusing on domestication process of indigenous wild tree species. The goal of domesticating is to improve community livelihood in the process of biodiversity conservation and climatic change mitigation. We're mainly focusing on domesticating those trees or indigenous trees that have multiple functions or multiple potentials. And here today I would like to explain what domestication means. Domestication means turning a wild tree into human management or into commercial farming from its wild environment or wild nature. And why do we need to turn indigenous trees into human management? It's because we need to explore potential trees of which can be valued to the global market. Many indigenous trees have resources that can be valued into global market and can be utilized by the local communities to make their living or to improve their income. And other natural tree species have an interesting lipid source, has interesting minerals and nutritious or nutrients that are essentials to man and animal health. So domesticating will bring those resources into human utilization. By the way, domestication mainly focusing to those trees with potentials to the local communities, specifically small household farmers. Our organization, Dreamnature Landscaping Organization, mainly works with small household farmers and research development partners. Small household farmers, we aim to improve their productivity in farms, as this tree species will be used in agroforestry or as agroforestry component to improve soil, to improve productivity in farms. But we use research development partners in order to explore or to identify those species with the high potentials, with the high affinity to man's utilization. But researchers are also used in adaptation of those species. Developing propagations of those species, developing techniques to add the value of those species or product of the species into global market. It's my turn to welcome you in the consortium that we are forming of many development partners, so as we can bring this wild tree species with the great potentials to the community, so as it can reach to the globe. It can be used by the government to improve even national income, but it can be used to solve the problem of unemployment to many youths and the women, specifically those who will be engaging in propagation or utilization of the respective species. In attaching to the explanation above, I would like to use the example of the species that we currently working on, that is Anisophyllea boehmii, which is mainly distributed in western parts of Tanzania, and they commonly call it mashindwi. This species has an interesting edible fruit which can be squeezed to form an pasteurized juicy jam. It is good, fresh, and with good flavor that can be used by man. If all people understand these potentials of these trees, they will have affinity. They will form something called demand. They will increase the demand of the species. The demand of species will influence tree planting campaigns, will influence people to use the species in integrating with the farms as boundaries or windbreakers, or others will even use it as the commercial plantation and anything else of which will be used as advantage to the environment as well, because this tree is an evergreen. If it is an evergreen, that means can it be helpful in sequestering the carbon content in the atmosphere, which is the main disturbing greenhouse that causing global warming. Therefore, I welcome more partners, collaborators of the government, of international organization, local organization, anyone wishing to be with us, researchers, volunteers, even interns who wishes to work with the organization. We need you. And also I welcome all the community to keep following our updates. We will be publishing advantages and everything that we do through our channels, that is Dreamnature Discovery on YouTube. And I hope you will be with us and you will learn. Thanks for watching.